Hiccups are a real pain, right? Well, not anymore. So this guy walks into a pharmacy and asks the assistant, "Can you give me something for the hiccups?" The assistant, without missing a beat, reaches out and slaps him right across the face. Yeah, you heard that right. Just a solid whack. The guy, obviously stunned, goes, "What did you do that for?" The assistant, cool as a cucumber, replies, "Well, you don't have the hiccups anymore, do you?" And the guy, still rubbing his cheek, says, "No, but my wife does, and she's outside in the car." Moral of the story? Always be specific about who needs the cure. And maybe, just maybe, stay in the car next time. Needless to say, that pharmacy assistant might need a new job soon. Got any other weird hiccup remedies? Share them in the comments below.